Installing window cranks in late model Volkswagens is as easy as taking off the old window crank, popping off the cover on the new window crank, installing the window crank onto the cog, tightening down the screw, and snapping on the cover. The 68-69 style window cranks are probably the most heavy-duty stock style window crank, but all the late model cranks are interchangeable. The later model cranks, like the 70-74, install in the same manner after popping off the cover. Then they can be installed, screwed in place, and the cover can be snapped back on. And the same thing goes for the 1975 and later style window crank. Pop off the cover, insert it onto the cog, screw it in, and snap on the cover. And just like that.